Number 5. Omni. The Omni is a 360-degree dash cam that has many features such as eye motion detection, night vision, GPS and route tracking and voice control. The camera is able to rotate 340 degrees and has a 140 degrees field of view. It also has an f1.5 large aperture and PureCell Plus S HDR technology. The dash cam records at 60 FPS and has a 1-minute long customized video. It is also equipped with a 4G hardwire kit that allows for remote connectivity and notifications. Number 4. BlackVue DR750X 3-Channel Plus. The BlackVue is a great 3-channel dash cam that comes with a lot of features. The star of the show is undoubtedly the dual Starvis sensors, which perform admirably in both low light and daytime conditions. The camera also has built-in GPS and Wi-Fi and comes with a hard wiring cable for native parking mode support. The cloud connectivity is a great addition, allowing you to check on your car from anywhere, anytime. Number 3. Mivue C570. The Mivue C570 is a high-quality dash cam that records in full HD 1080p with a 150 degrees wide angle lens. It also has built-in GPS and a G sensor for emergency backup. The camera has many safety features, including lane departure and forward collision warnings. Number 2. VIOFO T130 channel. The VIOFO T130 dash cam is a great choice for Uber drivers or anyone else who wants all-around protection while driving. The 3 cameras record super high-definition video at 1440p and 30 fps, and the IR night vision and WDR technology ensures that you'll be able to see clearly, even in low-light conditions. The built-in Wi-Fi allows you to connect to the VIOFO app on your iOS or Android device to check the live view of the front, inside, and rear cameras, as well as download and share recorded video files. The GPS logger feature will come in handy for tracking your speed and location, and the 3 parking mode solutions are perfect for keeping an eye on your vehicle while it's parked. Number 1. Rove R3. The Rove R3 is a 3-channel touchscreen dash camera that features a single power button, 3-inch IPS touchscreen, and a host of other features. The camera comes with a micro SD card, Class 10 U3 speed, and up to 512 GB max. The camera also has a 24-hour parking monitor, G sensor, and a proprietary distortion correction algorithm. The camera is powered by a supercapacitor rather than a lithium-ion battery. So there you have it, the 5 best dash cams that you can buy in 2022. Whether you're looking for the best budget option, the best features, or just the best overall dash cam, one of these should be perfect for you. Let us know which one you end up picking in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more great content like this. Thanks for watching.